Okay, so this will be one of many steps that we're going to be working on. I'm gonna create a sketch on the top plane. I'm gonna place 3 circles, one right there, one right here. Then one's gonna go over here. Dimensions for this one is going to be 7 inches. For this one, it's going to be uh 5 inches. Let's change it to 4 inches. This one 4 inches as well. Now here's the thing, you want them to be next to each other, so holding the control key in your keyboard, select this one, select that one, make them tangent, and then do the same thing for the bottom one. Select this one, select that one, make them tangent. And since you're here, you might want to add a circle right here, another one right here, and then this other one right there. Let's add dimensions to these ones. This is going to be 1.5. This will be 1.5. And I will make this 4. Okay. Check mark. The next thing that you want to do, grab a line, select this circle, and then select this other one. Automatically, you should be able to see that they become tangent. You'll notice that by this symbol right here and right here. Okay. Go ahead and do the same on the other one. And then go ahead and do the same thing for this one and this one. Now, in case that doesn't happen, what you can do, you can hold in the control key, select this line, and then this diameter, let it go, make tangent. Nothing happens since they're already tangent. And then you want to double check, select this one and diameter and make tangent. Okay. Now, just for the purpose of testing this out, I'm gonna exaggerate and I'm gonna put the line right here and right there. Doesn't let me try that again. So let's say I put it here and somewhere over here. Okay. In this case, they're not tangent. So if I want them to be tangent, hold the control key, select the line, diameter, tangent, select the line, diameter, and make them tangent. Okay. Now you notice that this moved to the side, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna undo this. That was just to test or to show you guys that you can do tangent. Okay, so I'm back to this. You wanna trim this sections right here. Okay, you also wanna trim this section right there. And then what you wanna do, actually, you know what? That's fine. You wanna extrude this by 0.5. So let's extrude it by 0.5. And that's essentially it. This is the first part. Okay. Now, next thing that we want to do, we actually want to have 4 of these guys. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So go sketch, select right there, and you actually want to get a center line. Okay. So, and you want to go right at the center, move to the side. It doesn't matter how long this is. Make sure you exit, check mark. You want to have 4 of them. So what you're going to do, linear pattern, select this line. You want to copy this body 4 times. So you want to select this, see how it appears right there. And let's put it at a distance of 10 inches each. So you get that, check mark, and now you have 4 of them. Okay, so that's the first part.